Hey guys, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Mark with D7. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Mavic 2 Pro. I'm going to have some nice close-up shots so you can see in detail what a brand new, fresh Mavic 2 looks like. Alright, and then over on the side I have the Mavic Pro Platinum, and I'm going to do some comparisons to see how some of the accessories that you commonly use for the Mavic Pro may or may not be compatible with the Mavic 2 Pro. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started here. Alright, let's take a quick look at the box. Okay, to open it, there's a seal at the bottom. Go ahead and cut that open. There we go. Slide that out. Okay, now let's see. Just flips open like that. Okay, so here's the remote controller. Give you a close-up here. So just like the Mavic Air, the sticks are actually housed on the bottom. So you just pull these out and then screw those into place. There we go. Alright, put that aside. And let's take a look at the drone. There's a beautiful camera. Go ahead and take the sticker off. And then there's a clip right here. And there you go. So of course the cover is one piece, so you don't have two separate pieces. The gimbal clamp and the cover are all integrated into the cover here. Let's go ahead and unfold it. And it unfolds just like the Mavic Pro. Okay, one more look at the camera. There you go. Hasselblad. Okay, and then let's take a look at the other accessories. So in this box here, we have the cables. Let's see, we have the cable here. Let's see what it is. Okay, so this is for hooking up to USB and updating the firmware to the drone, connection to the drone, and then here we have the different cables to hook up your mobile device to it. Okay, put that aside, open this box up. This is probably the charger. Okay, yeah, so we have the charger. There's a connector for the battery, and then this must be the other cables to, okay, this is actually your power cable there. Okay, so this connects up to your charger, and then let's take the sleeve off, and this is kind of nice here. Alright, I need to cut this off. I actually like leaving this plastic sleeve on in the Mavic Pro to protect the case, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off though here so that I could actually show you the cables that are connected to it. Okay, so what's cool about this charger is right on the side here you do have the charger for your remote controller that actually embeds into the side of the charger. Alright, so you have that, and then you just hook up the power cable to it and you're good to go. Alright, inside here we have, looks like, a manual and props here. There's actually 2 in this one. Whoops. 2 in this one. And then I think there's a 3rd set. So you do have a spare pair of props. And then the manuals are just inside here. And what I want to do here is try out this joystick protector and see if it slides on. It actually does. It's a little bit on the loose side, but that is centered with the control stick, so this is something that you could also use for the Mavic 2 Pro. Okay, so let's take a look at the case for the Mavic Pro, and I actually use this for the Mavic Air as well. So let's see if it fits into this Mavic Pro case. Okay, the antennas do lock in, unlike the Mavic Air antennas. And let's see, looks like it's going to fit. Yeah, it does fit. Close it here, zip it up. So there you go. You can use the case from the Mavic Pro for the Mavic 2 Pro remote controller. Alright, so let's do a quick comparison between the Mavic Pro Battery here and then the Mavic 2 Pro Battery, and you can see the shape is different. The color is a little bit different. It's actually lighter on the Mavic 2 Pro, but what is very obvious is the thickness of the 2 batteries. Mavic 2 is a lot more thicker than the Mavic Pro, so obviously you won't be able to use the Mavic Pro batteries for your Mavic 2 Pro. Okay, and then now I have the Mavic low noise propeller, and let's see if it will actually fit onto the Mavic 2 Pro. Okay, it actually fits in, it locks in place, but by no way do I recommend you use the Mavic Pro batteries on the Mavic 2 Pro because the shape, the size are different. Okay? And then finally, let's go ahead and see if the Mavic 2 Pro will fit into a Mavic Pro case. And I think you guys know what the answer is, but let's just do it for fun. No way it's going to fit in there. It's a lot wider, it's a little bit longer, so unfortunately you won't be able to use your Mavic Pro case for this. Alright, and then finally I have a handlebar mount for the remote controller, and I was actually able to fit it on there. It fits snugly. It doesn't actually clamp onto both sides, but it does clamp onto the one side here. It doesn't clamp onto the top here, but it's actually very solid, so I would actually feel comfortable using this for the Mavic 2 Pro. This is the Mavic Pro handlebar mount, fitting okay and comfortably enough that I would use this on my bike. Alright guys, so that is it. Thanks for watching. On my next Mavic 2 Pro video coming up real soon, you will be able to actually download raw video footage from the drone, so you can download it to your computer, check it out, see the quality. Alright, so thanks again you guys. Happy flying. Bye.